Hi, today I wanted to do a video on a BMW 2017 model, how to open the bonnet and also how to close it properly because it's not like any other cars, it's slightly complicated to open the bonnet, so I thought I'll share that with you. And also sometime when you close the bonnet, you still get a warning light comes up on the BMW. So and I will show you how to deal with that as well. That will save you a lot of money. Okay, let's go and see the vehicle. Okay guys, now as you can see on the lever here, it goes ×2. Can you focus that in please? So you can see it. So basically what they're asking you to do is you need to pull it once and then you need to pull it again twice, because if you don't do that it won't open. It only opens halfway. So that's why every time you open one of these vehicles, make sure you pull it twice. So let's go at the bonnet at the front and let's see. As you can see, the bonnet is open, so you only have to lift it up just like this, and this is where the hinges is. You've got two there, one there as well, and that's the reason you need to pull it twice, otherwise it wouldn't close it properly, it wouldn't open it properly. Okay, to close this, all you got to do is bring it down and just make sure there is nothing here, and then just bring it down and just slam it down like this, and it will close firmly. Is that okay? Okay. Now when you go into the dashboard, when you go and start the engine, sometimes you have a warning light comes up saying the bonnet is not being closed properly, and I want to show you how to. So first of all, let me show you where the warning sign is. See this sign here? It says bonnet open. That means it's not closed properly because it's got two hinges, and if it's not lined up properly it will come up even though the bonnet is closed fully. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. Okay, and let's go back and open the bonnet. Once you adjust this one, you can adjust the same thing with the other one as well. You can just pull this down and adjust it if it doesn't shut properly. And so I'm going to put this thing back up here, and then it's secured, and then try closing it again. Okay, you taking this? Okay, now I'm going to start the ignition again, see if the light comes up. As you can see, the light is disappeared. Only light is warning sign is on is because my side door is open, because you're standing there recording. Apart from that, it's okay. Yeah, that's how you will fix if there is a bonnet open sign comes up.